By the end of this video, you're going to learn about a brand new AI tool that makes automating your work 10 times easier than using n8n. It doesn't require any complicated setup. You don't have to know how to code, and it automatically integrates with more than 8,000 tools that I bet you're probably using every day. So let's dive into exactly what that tool is, how you could use it, and I'm going to share with you 5 automations you need to set up today to start saving hours. Now, that new tool that I'm talking about are going to be all of Zapier's AI integrations, because they now allow you to create automated workflows, automated data, automated process visualization. You can even create apps, forms, and pages, or create an AI-powered chatbot. And it's so much easier than building things out in n8n. You literally just come over here, you select a trigger, you select an action, and if you wanted to, they actually have this co-pilot right here where you can literally tell it exactly what you want to get done, and it will go ahead and actually create that out. For example, let's say that you want to create something that is going to notify your team of upcoming Google Calendar events. You literally just type this in right here, and this is going to walk you through exactly how to actually build this out and what the outline should look like. If we come over to a tool like n8n, we're going to see that it's a lot more complicated. There's no co-pilot, and we would have to come through here and try to figure out exactly how we should do this step by step. And in addition to that, you have to be technical in order to actually use n8n, and Zapier doesn't require that. It doesn't matter what part of the stack you're in on Zapier. You could work in HR, you could work in operations, you could work in marketing. Anybody can come in here and begin to build out AI automations to help them. So right here, we could see exactly what this will do right here, and then we can add this in, and you could see this literally just adds this in right here, and now we just have to connect our accounts and select a few things in plain English without having to know how to code or be a developer or anything like that. We have this co-pilot to walk us through this entire time. Now again, if we try to do the same thing over here, we could type in Google Calendar and try to begin to build these things out. But as we could see, this is a lot more complicated than just answering a few simple questions with Zapier. On top of that, you could see that Zapier is an all-in-one platform. It connects to more than 8,000 integrations and different apps, and you could come over here and explore all of these different integrations right here, and it's literally across every subsection of your business that you could possibly think about. If we come over to n8n, they only have 500 integrations, which is a fraction of what Zapier has. On top of that, as you can see here, we could literally get these built out in minutes as opposed to n8n, which literally takes weeks, because you're going to be going back and forth with n8n over and over again, trying to fix things, and it might be something like a semicolon that's holding you up, where with Zapier, you could literally just come over here and get started with things immediately because of their co-pilot. In addition to that, if you come over into your homepage right here, you could see that they have a bunch of different templates that you could go through, and you can have these set up today. If you come down here, you're going to see all these popular templates right here. You'll be able to browse through all of them, and this will literally allow you to set up automations in your business. No matter what part of the business stack you're in, you could be in lead management, in sales, in marketing, customer support, data management. Doesn't matter what part you are in, you can have automation set up today. In fact, you could get this set up before I'm done with this video, because it only takes a few minutes. On top of that, Zapier is going to be hosted on Zapier, so you don't have to worry about anything breaking. You don't have to worry about any technical difficulties. When it comes to things like n8n, a lot of times you are going to be self-hosting this, which is going to be very limiting because you're going to find that you constantly have issues. And then we could bring up the area of pricing right here. n8n looks like it might be on the cheaper end here, but the reality is totally different, because in order to actually get this stuff set up, you're going to have to be paying an n8n expert and consulting with people, where with Zapier, you have predictive pricing. You know exactly how much it's going to cost and how much it might increase depending on how frequently you're doing it, and you're never going to have to hire a consultant or somebody like that in order to actually come through and set all this up for you, because it's literally as simple as you saying, hey, I want to add new Facebook leads into this Google Sheet, and you click on this and set it up and try it. And then the other thing I did want to touch on before we get into all those crazy use cases and automations that you could set up today is that with Zapier, it's already set up with best-in-class security. But on n8n, especially if you're self-hosting, this is going to open up a bunch of different security concerns that aren't going to be good for you, your company, or your clients. Now, before I get into those 5 automations that you need to make sure that you set up immediately, I wanted to remind you that you could go to the pinned comment below and get started today with Zapier AI for free. Because once you start using this tool, you're gonna wish that you started using it earlier when you see how easy it is to begin to automate your work, especially when you compare it to using tools like n8n. Now, use case number 1 that you should set up quickly is going to be transforming your support tickets into actionable sales leads with Zendesk and Pipedrive. Now, you could actually go through and build this out with other tools, and I'm going to show you exactly what this looks like. But essentially what happens right here is every single time that you have a new ticket come into Zendesk, this is going to go through on Pipedrive, and this is going to find this person, and then this is going to create a lead here. And what this is going to allow you to do is turn a cost center into something that's actually making you money and into a profit center. Because if you're getting a lot of tickets in your business, this will allow you to get a trigger. Whenever a ticket's being entered, it will then find that person. You could then train this to identify what could actually make them somebody that might actually want to buy something, or you could see somewhere else where you could pitch them something, and then you can create a lead, you can assign it to salespeople, or you could get this to begin to automatically start reaching out to these folks. Or what you could do is set up this workflow right here that will go through and instantly respond to new emails with AI-powered replies via Gmail and Google AI Studio. So if we come over here and click on this, we could see exactly how to get this set up. So if we come over here, we could set the trigger event for when I get a new email, and we can come over here and we can apply my email address right here. It's literally all that we have to do. From here, we can do this based off of specific labels, or we could do this based off of specific chats. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to do this just based off of my inbox, because it's how I actually want it done. And then we can test this trigger right here. And as we can see, very simply, we know before we go to the next module right here, whether or not this actually works, and we could see all the different records. So I'm going to say, this is perfect. Now, the next thing that's going to happen is we can come over here and we can set up Google AI Studio, aka Gemini right here, and we can have this send a prompt. All you're going to have to do is come over here and put your API key in here, and then this will actually be able to set this up. And then from here, what's going to happen is this is going to take the email that you got here. It is then going to trigger a prompt to happen on Gemini right here that will then create a reply to that email. And then you could see that we could come back over into here. We could see the event that's going to happen. An email is going to be sent, or you can get it to draft if you want to do that in the beginning to see how it actually replies. And just like that, we went through and we set up an auto email replier. Now again, you don't have to have this hit every single email that you get. Maybe it's only for refund emails, and instead of actually replying to the person, maybe it's pinging your Slack team or pinging your customer support team. Or maybe somebody's saying that they didn't get tracking information for their order. You can have the same exact thing happen. No matter what trigger you want in your email, you could set this up to have AI in the middle, and then it will actually route that to the person that needs to know about whatever that email was, instead of you just compulsively checking your email hundreds of times every day. Now, the third use case I wanted to walk through was actually building out some type of mini consulting experience. We're going to walk through this live. So we're going to chat with Copilot right here. We're going to say, I want to create a workflow where when someone submits a Google form, their information is put into a prompt in ChatGPT, and the output is then emailed to them. So the reason that I want to do this, and I'm literally going to show off to you how I have actually been doing this in my own business. So if we come over to my YouTube channel right here, we come over to Studio, we could see that in my latest video, what do I have here in the description? I have this form that people can fill out. So if folks come over to this form, we'll open this up in an incognito window to show you what this looks like. They can find out how AI can help them save 10 hours a week. Now from here, this is going to ask them a series of questions. And then what I did was built out an automation exactly like this right here. So Google form, get a new response, then ChatGPT goes through and hits it with a prompt, and then you get some email here. Now, let's see what this actually looks like. So if I open up my other inbox over here, I can show you literally exactly what this looks like. If we come over here and I come over into this email, we can see that I recently got an email from myself. So we're going to come over here, Robert at QueenCityMediaGroup.com. we could see exactly what this looks like. Now, this did take a few tries for me to actually get this right, being fully transparent here. But essentially, in the beginning, this was just doing this as unformatted. You just needed to tell it to add in HTML and then it fixed this. But essentially, here's what's happening now. People are going to that Google form, they're filling out their information, and then they're getting an AI generated response, which gives them a mini consulting experience. So they're inputting what kind of tools they're currently using, where they're currently wasting time in their business, and then they're getting outputted a plan and a strategy for how to actually improve their output with AI. And guess what? This is all happening automated, literally using this same exact outline right here that you could set up in Zapier in seconds. And it doesn't have to be for AI audits. You could set this up for your business, use it as a lead magnet, or you could begin to actually automate some mini consulting experience that you can then sell to people right here in Zapier. Now, this next use case I wanted to show you is how you can actually use Zapier to predict employee attrition risk and mitigate it. Now, this is pretty insane. In order to set this up, you literally just have to come over here and set this up right here. So what this is going to do is when employee is actually added into Bamboo HR, they're going to be added in here. Then this is going to create a record for them in the attrition risk Zapier table. Now, what this is going to do is look up the most recent scores for their engagement surveys across the team that they're joining. And this is going to then actually update what that's going to look like. Now, from here, what you are going to be able to do is predict how happy an employee is with the team that they're on, with the work that they're doing, so that you can get ahead and get notified when something is low. All you'd have to do here is literally just come over here and then add in another step to message a team on Slack or email somebody or throw time on their calendar if they end up getting a low score or if over time that ends up dropping. Now, the final use case that I have here is going to be automatic call prep. Now, essentially what this is going to do when a meeting is created in Chili Piper, and by the way, you could do this for anything. You could do this with Google Calendar, you could do it with Zoom, however you are setting up meetings. This is going to go through and get the date and time. It's then going to delay for 5 minutes and then find the email that is going to be in there. Now, from there, it's going to then use that email to find the company by domain. It is going to create a company HubSpot link if one doesn't already exist. And then this is going to go through and this is going to figure out via ChatGPT all the public information that it can about this company. And then what it's going to do is it's going to create a record here of all of that information. It's going to wait for 1 day before the meeting, and then it's going to send you a direct Slack message with everything that you need to know the day before the meeting so that you could do a better job selling them, or you could just walk into the meeting without having to spend 15, 20, 30 minutes prepping when you just got a message on Slack that has all the information and background that you might possibly need. And you can set this up using whatever tools you like. You don't have to be using HubSpot and you don't have to be using Chili Piper. Now, if you like this video, I'd strongly suggest you check out this video right here that walks you through another new AI tool that allows you to create no-code apps in seconds. I'll see you over there.